Imagine a dense, prehistoric jungle. Now, add the whir of modern attack drones overhead. Velociraptors, famous for their intelligence and coordinated pack hunting, face a new challenge: outmaneuvering advanced aerial machines. These small predators rely on stealth, communication, and agility to survive. When a drone enters their territory, the raptors scatter quickly, using the thick foliage for camouflage and cover. One raptor acts as a decoy, drawing the drone's attention with sudden, unpredictable movement. Meanwhile, others silently circle around, keeping a low profile to remain hidden from sensors. The raptors communicate with sharp chirps and hisses, coordinating their positions with remarkable precision. As the drone hovers lower to investigate, the pack waits patiently for the perfect moment to strike. Suddenly, two raptors leap from opposite sides, aiming directly for the drone's vulnerable rotors and exposed components. Their sharp claws and teeth can damage sensitive parts, forcing the drone to crash or retreat. While modern technology boasts advanced sensors and cameras, it can be overwhelmed by the unpredictable, lightning-fast tactics of a coordinated raptor pack, working seamlessly together.